everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves in this lockdown. So you have already heard me say this so many times on my channel that drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day, keep yourself hydrated, and all the enormous benefits of drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated. And that gave me an idea, why not share a video where I can give you around 10 different ways you can incorporate so that you keep yourself hydrated and you drink the optimum amount of water you're supposed to drink every single day. So just to recap, we know drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated has enormous benefits, from losing weight to feeling more energetic, and your digestion improves, and one study even said your sleep and mood also improves. So like I said, there are so many benefits, and keeping yourself hydrated should be your priority every single day. So let's set an example. Pause this video and let's drink some water. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 10 different ways you can incorporate in your daily life.
These 10 ways will help you to increase your daily water intake.
But before we start, I would like to add a backstory here. I used to be so bad at keeping myself hydrated. मतलब ना ही मुझे ऐसा feel होता था that I should drink more water. And even though I knew कि मुझे इतने glasses of water every single day पीना चाहिए, but I was so bad at it, so bad at it, that I felt dehydrated most of the time. My skin was dry, and it was all because I was not drinking enough water. Pani hi nahi peena. And I'm not advocating that behavior because I know it was such a bad habit I had, but it's good to be honest to tell you guys, like, I was not always on point. I was not always, keeping myself hydrated, and it's totally human. We need to learn these things, and these ways have actually helped me. They are tried and tested, and hopefully they'll help you too. And if they do, I'll be so happy. So with the hope that it really helps someone out there, let's get started with the video.
I have recently read this book called Atomic Habits, and this book is really amazing. In case if anyone is interested to build some good habits, you should read this book. Now from this book, we are going to use two concepts. One is to put cues in your environment, because when you see a cue, you determine the appropriate response to it. And second concept which we are going to use is habit stacking. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it all, but we are going to use these two concepts.
These 2 points will give you 2 different ways which you can use to hydrate yourself. 1. Putting right cue in the environment. This basically means that you have the cue in the environment and you can give an appropriate response to it. Basically इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि आप अपने पूरे दिन में make sure करो whatever you are doing, you have a bottle of water near you. Near you means just next to you, so that every time you see the bottle of water, you make a point that you take few sips out of it and you drink water more. Especially right at night when you're about to sleep, remember to keep a filled water bottle next to your bed or nightstand, so that as soon as you wake up, the first thing in the morning you do is drink some water. I was editing this video and that gave me an idea. Why not increase your consumption of water right away? So every time I say the word water in this video, take a sip of water from your bottle. 2. Make a habit, every time you leave the house, you always leave with a filled water bottle. बाहर निकल के make sure आप हर थोड़ी देर में पानी पी रहे हो. Take sips of water, but make sure that you are drinking water. 3. So the other concept I did talk about from the Atomic Habit was habit stacking. Basically इसमें क्या होता है कि आपके जो already established habits है throughout your day, आप उसमें ये habit add करो that you have to drink water. For example, we use social media and our phones all the time, all through the day. So every time you check your phone, make sure you take a sip of water. Or let's take another example. Every time you attend a call, make sure you drink water. So this is habit stacking. After one habit, you add on your other habit. जो आपकी पहली habit है वो already established है and you are doing it in your day. The second habit, which is to drink more water, you put on top of it, and that's how you remember to drink more water. And this one technique has really helped me a lot, because I make sure that every time I'm checking my phone, I drink some water. Every time I'm reading a book, I drink some water. So like I said, established habit पे अपना drinking water का habit आप stack करो. 4. Before every meal, 45 minutes to 1 hour prior, remember to have 1 glass of water. So many studies suggest that by doing so, not only you consume fewer calories, but you lose weight. One of the studies also went to an extent to say that if you drink 1 liter of water before every meal, lose 44% of more weight. 5. Remember, every time you feel that you need to snack or you feel you're bored, it is believed that you are not hungry but thirsty, so drink a glass of water first and then see if you still feel hungry or not. If yes, then go have your snack, but first drink a glass of water. और ये मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार होता था, and ever since I have started doing this, I can tell you with some guarantee that we are thirsty and not hungry at that point. So remember, every time you have the urge to snack, maybe you're not hungry but thirsty. 6. Consume water-rich vegetables and fruits. Like in summers, you can have watermelons or cucumbers. They are really water-rich and will keep you hydrated. 7. Take regular sips of water while you're working out, and as soon as you're done your workout, have a glass of water. 8. So you must have heard from so many people that they don't like the taste of water. अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा है, you can use infused water. You can add a slice of lemon or some mint leaves in your water and consume that instead of just plain water. I tried it, and I think more than that, what really worked for me is drinking water, infused waters. I didn't like the taste of that. This particular way didn't work for me, but I have heard that it works for a lot of people. So in case you don't like the taste of water, give this way a go. 9. There are so many apps online which reminds you to have water, which helps you track water, or you can track your water consumption in your very own journal. I like to habit track my water consumption in my journal, but you do what suits you the best. Download an app and track your water consumption there. It really is a good way to know how much water you're consuming every single day. 10. Keep regular alarms on your phone which reminds you to drink more water. And a bonus tip, buy yourself a good quality water bottle so that you feel nice to drink water from it. Sometimes it really works. If something is cute enough, you remind yourself to have water more. So buy a cute looking water bottle if that works for you. I hope guys you really like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And with that, I'm going to meet you next Thursday. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.